Nestled amidst the lush greenery of KwaZulu-Natal's north coast, South Africa, lies the architectural marvel known as SGNW House. This magnificent residence isn't just a house. It's a sensory experience, meticulously designed to blur the lines between human habitation and the breathtaking natural world that surrounds it. The design of SGNW House draws on influences from both traditional Japanese architecture and the iconic Fallingwater residence by Frank Lloyd Wright. From the former, it inherits a deep appreciation for natural materials, a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, and a profound respect for the surrounding environment. Key elements reminiscent of Japanese architecture include expansive roofs with wide eaves, walls that can be removed to open the house, and the extensive use of natural materials like wood, bamboo, and paper shoji screens. The influence of Fallingwater, Wright's masterpiece, is evident in the SGNW House's cantilevered structures that echo the natural surroundings and the extensive use of windows and balconies to foster a constant connection with the outdoors. SGNW House is a harmonious blend of form and function. The architects have carefully chosen natural materials like wood, gray travertine cladding, water features, and natural stone cladding to create a structure that integrates seamlessly with the indigenous bush that surrounds it. Large expanses of glazing throughout the house offer unobstructed views of the lush forest, further dissolving the barrier between inside and outside. Water plays a starring role in SGNW House, not just as an aesthetic element, but also as a way to connect the various parts of the house and its surroundings. Multiple bodies of water, including koi ponds, water features, and a stunning rimflow swimming pool, appear to flow seamlessly into one another, weaving their way through the house and out into the forest. The sound of cascading water from two waterfall drops in the swimming pool fills the ground floor living areas, creating a tranquil and immersive atmosphere. The koi pond, a constant presence throughout the house, is visible from various vantage points. One can enter the house by crossing a timber bridge spanning the koi pond, leading to a double-volume entrance hall that itself resembles an island surrounded by glass panels. The koi can also be admired through a unique glazed slot in the kitchen floor, as the koi pond extends under the house in a tunnel, allowing the fish to freely traverse the residence. SGNW House is a haven for those seeking a deep connection with nature. The meticulously chosen natural materials, the ever-present sound of falling water, the captivating vistas of the indigenous forest, and the gentle flow of fresh air carrying the sweet songs of birds all come together to create a truly immersive experience. This symphony of nature's elements transports residents to a world of peace, tranquility, and a profound sense of well-being. While the luxurious amenities and stunning design are undeniable highlights, SGNW House is more than just a beautiful home. The extensive use of natural materials and the emphasis on creating a seamless connection with the environment suggest a thoughtful approach to sustainability. Large windows strategically placed throughout the house allow for natural light to fill the space, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Additionally, the open floor plan promotes natural ventilation, minimizing reliance on air conditioning. SGNW House is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and a deep respect for nature. It's a luxurious residence that prioritizes the well-being of its inhabitants by creating a harmonious connection with the surrounding environment. By blending the best of Eastern and Western architectural influences, SGNW House sets a new standard for sustainable and luxurious living, offering a glimpse into a future where architecture and nature coexist in perfect balance.